scotch bright. Any girl me have, all of them pussy tight. Money me a plant, all the greens them ripe. Wordplay body like the Titanic shift. Honda me drive on a Suzuki Swift. Rear wheel drive on the toll me a drift. Lame boy girl me teeth, I know you're a bitch. Money heavy like say jump off a cliff. Midnight success, stay strong, weight lift. Me no remember your name.
We're out here, Dyno Day. About to see what the EG could pull. What numbers were you expecting today?
650.
650? So let's see what the fuck happens, man.
Rocket shit, boy!
What? Yeah. He had to. He couldn't come through here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, the best woman. Like right now it's like 45 out here. Oh, it's so cold.
See, you can smell the vapor coming out that motherfucker.
Oh yeah.
Not too much, but enough.
That E.
I know that shit worked.
Oh yeah, come over here, B. Introduce yourself to the people.
For me, it's Kobe, bro. One and only.
Show them what you drive, man. Show them what you drive.
Drive the SI, feel me? You know, got the Fugan lip, ain't no real music.
Fugan lip, bomba.
Got the Brembo on it.
Big Brembo upgrades on Indy 500s.
You got the TL type S rims, feel me?
Powder coated.
Powder coated, yes sir. Custom shit. You know. Other than that, you know, it's nice. Full bolt on. Feel me? Make it 225.
Not bad.
You know, I got some big plans coming. You know, hopefully summertime. Build K24. You know, there's some juice in it. You know? Trying to make 290 to 300. I don't know. Let's see, yo.
Not bad.
Yes, sir.
You Jim.
Yo, Dre. Start up the machine, pull up at the light, just know semi car sit right. R-triple-A, never use brake light. Hear them ship build box, nah grind. Cause they told me I do 200 at night. Backpack full of money, boots and scotch bright. Any girl me have, all of them pussy tight. Money me a plant, all the greens them ripe. Wordplay body like the Titanic shift. Honda me drive on a Suzuki Swift. Rear wheel drive on the toll me a drift. Lame boy girl me teeth, I know you're a bitch. Money heavy like say jump off a cliff. Midnight success, stay strong, weight lift. Me no remember your name, Rena artist. So much girl me can't count on it. Need for start float, Dre pass me a split. Never see me style cause I me create it. Married to the money, fuck a relationship. Not a jewelry man but look on me wrist. Your girl rip off my clothes as it was a gift. Just know say she a feel me dog. She love off.
now with the one and only Javi tune. About to get the NSX tune. See what kind of power this shit is making, to be honest with you. Say like 300, 400, probably, who knows? Fuck it. I'm out here looking crazy like always, I ain't gonna lie, bro, but you know what I'm saying, your boy repping out here for the NSX type shit. Man, it's gonna be a nice night. Got some fun cars for y'all to see, to be honest with you. Starting off with this beast in front of me right here. Oh yeah, she's a real beauty, man. Oh, sexy. Look at that beauty. I mean, she doesn't make a whole lot, but hey, she's a looker, man.
Is this open too? So no trim.
The screamer, man. There's the wizard himself doing his work.
It's supposed to, yeah. So put a gauge on it.
Fuck.
He's a yes man.
Okay, pussy.
That's it.
So what do you think about the NSX?
Nice.
What do you think?
It's alright.
500, 500?
Yeah, 500, bro. 500. But the supercharger claims 90 horsepower, and that's what it made. 90 horsepower overstock.
So it did what it needed to do.
It made the power overstock that they say. So.
Okay. Think that's just fucking sexy,
yes,
man?
Nigga, I'm so.
Think that's just fucking sexy, man? Well, I didn't get a chance to record for the Type R. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a clip of it or something, but this is how much it made. They're all regular Type R numbers. Ain't nothing too crazy. Next up on the list, SC300 1JZ. You said what? So how much you thinking?
Probably like 450, hopefully.
Yeah, they were.
That shit healthy. Bro, I love this. I love this suspension. What? BC's is the way.
over the light, just know say me car sit right. RGB light, carry the chip, bill box like right. And they told me I do 200 at night. Backpack full of money, boots and scotch bright. Any girl me have, all of them pussy tight. Money me apart, all the green them ripe. Wordplay bad like a Titanic shift. And me drive on a Suzuki Swift. Rear wheel drive and they told me I drift.